Hey everyone, today I'm sharing a quick review of the Jaden Pro Series Smart Tech Anti-Theft Laptop Backpack. Perfect for professionals, students and anyone always on the move. I got this from Amazon and it's honestly packed with features and compartments. It has multiple organized compartments ideal for your laptop, tablet, books, chargers and other daily essentials. One of the best features, built-in USB-A and USB-C charging ports, super convenient. Inside, there's a built-in cable. Just plug it into your power bank, zip it up and charge your devices on the go. It has two small compartments. One is here, other one is here. You can keep your earphone, earbuds, etc. This is the main compartment where you can keep your laptop charger. This is the small compartment here. You can keep your keys. This is the laptop compartment. And this one more compartment here. One more compartment at the back side of this bag where you can keep your wallet,